Okay, hello. For this video, we're going to talk about adding and subtracting similar fractions without regrouping. Since we talk about similar fractions, these are a set of fractions that have the same number in the denominator. So meaning they have the same number below the fraction bar. So that's what we're going to talk about this video. Let's try to have this problem. Cyril made two types of cookies. She used 2/4 cup of sugar for one recipe and 1/4 cup of sugar for the other. How much sugar did she use in all? So what is asked in the problem? Yes, so it's asking the amount of sugar Cyril used in all. What are given? We have 2/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of sugar. So what operation are we going to use to solve this problem? Yes, we're going to use addition. So 2/4 plus 1/4 equals n. So to solve this problem, the rule is we're just going to add the numerator. Again, add the numerator or the number above. Then we're going to copy the common denominator. Okay, so let's add first the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And copy the common denominator, which is 4. So the answer is 3/4. So she used 3/4 cup of sugar in all. Okay? Alright, so now let's try to have another problem. Yumi has 3/5 meter of linen cloth. She used 2/5 meter for one placemat. What part of the linen cloth was left? So what is asked in the problem? Yes, the part of the linen cloth was left, or that was left. So what operation, or what are the given? So we have here 3/5 meter and 2/5 meters. What operation are we going to use? Yes, we're going to use subtraction. So 3/5 minus 2/5 equals n. So how are we going to subtract this one? Since this is a similar fraction, the same rule with the addition, we're just going to subtract the numerator, then copy the common denominator. Again, we're just going to subtract the number above, then we're going to copy the common number below. Okay, so 3 minus 2, the answer is 1. Then we're just going to copy the common denominator, which is 5. So the final answer, the part of the linen that was left was 1/5. Okay? Alright, so now please try to answer this one. 2/6 plus 3/6. What do you think is the answer? So again, just add the numerator, then copy the common denominator. Alright, very good. So the answer here is 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then we're just going to copy the common denominator, which is 6. 5/6. Do we have the same answer? Do we need to reduce this number, 5/6? No. So this is our final answer. Alright, that's great. Next number. Please try this one. 4/7 plus 2/7. What's the answer? Okay, so we're just going to add again the numerator. We're just going to add the numerator 4 plus 2, that is 6. Then copy the common denominator, which is 7. So the answer is 6/7. Next, 8/9 minus 3/9. So what's the answer? Okay, so you're just going to subtract the numerator. 8 minus 3, that's 5. Then copy the common denominator, which is 9. So 5/9. Very good. How about next? 7/12 minus 1/12. What's the answer? So 7 minus 1, that is 6. Then copy the common denominator, which is 12. Is this our final answer? No. So we can reduce this divided by 6. Okay, divide by 6, divide by 6 also. 6 divided 6, that's 1, and 12 divided 6 is 2. So our final answer is 1 half. Questions? Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video.